set to low. These are made by Saturn. These fans are made by Saturn, just letting you know. Yeah. They seem quite vintage. I'm going to set this one back to low on next to it. So low, this one's just speeding up. Let's take a look at the one on low speed. Okay. This one's also on low. It seems to have quite a high power to it. We'll set it to medium low. So medium low now. I'm not sure what size these are, but it seems to be like 56 inches, I think, diameter. Now we'll head to medium speed. Yeah, this one's really looking healthy. I think it's had a capacitor replacement. Now, medium high. Okay, now we'll go full tilt. Sorry. Now we'll see which one has the fastest spin down. Sorry. Let's spin down. We'll do reverse. And afterwards we'll do spin down, guys. So this is a bit of like a 0 to full tilt as well. Feel up here, there's a breeze for sure. Feel it. Right, we'll just spin down now. I'll set yours back to low afterwards. I'll set them back to low for you afterwards.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry, can I squeeze past you?
Got that one.
Let's see which one stops first. This one seems to be really long. Spin down. Don't worry, I'll turn them back on in a second. Doing a little spin down with you. I love a Saturn industrial. We'll stop in a second. So I'll put them back on for you.
Yeah, it's good night. These are these ones. These are orange. Backpacks as well.
Yeah.
It's Bill.
What's that?
Bunny beach bag. It's a bunny.
Okay.
Bunny rabbit.
These have a long spin down. They take a while. Go on, which one's going to stop first? We'll see. Exactly the same time, I think. Okay, that one stopped first. We're just waiting for this one now. And now you're going to go see them going really fast in a second. I'm going to put them all back on. Okay, go on. Stop.
Yeah, just they're really good actually. Taking them down to the beach with your money and your phone and stuff.
Okay, now stopped. Now the final segment of the video, we're going to do a 0 to high. There we go. 0 to high is the final segment, then I'll turn them off, okay? Or turn them on to your low speed, right? There we go. Look at that. It's cool, isn't it? Is it even blowing anything? Ah, there we go. Started to blow some wind. Look at that, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I just wanted to carry down through. Bum bag's always good. Rather than my handbag.
Thank you, Storm Chasers, for watching this video, and I'll get back to you tomorrow. See you later.